of revolution and plane of rotation. It is imaginary circle that rolls without slipping with the pitch circle of the mating gear. The pitch circle of the pair of remaining gear are tangent to each other. Pitch circle diameter. The pitch circle diameter is the diameter of the pitch circle. The size of gear is usually specified by the pitch circle diameter. It is called pitch circle diameter. In the pitch circle diameter is denoted by d dash. In this chapter it is denoted by d dash. Pitch point. The pitch point is the point of line of center of two gears at which the two pitch circle of mating gears are tangent to each other. This is known as the pitch point. Top land. Top land is surface of top of the gear tooth. It is already explained. Bottom land explained. Involute. Involute is the curve traced by the point on line as the line roll without slipping on the circle. Base circle. The base circle is an imaginary circle from which the involute curve of the tooth profile is generated. The base circle of two mating gears are tangent to the pressure line. It is tangent to the pressure line. Addendum circle already explained. Addendum circle is a imaginary circle that border the top of gear teeth in the cross section. Addendum. The addendum H, it is denoted by HA. HA is the radial distance between pitch and addendum circle. Addendum indicates the height of the tooth above the pitch circle. H is the height and A for the addendum. Similarly, the addendum circle is an imaginary circle that borders the bottom of the space between teeth in the cross section. It is also called a root circle. Dedendum is denoted by HF. The dedendum HF is the radial distance between pitch and dedendum circle. The dedendum indicates the depth of tooth below the pitch circle. Clearance. Clearance is amount by which the dedendum of given gear exceeds the addendum of its mating tooth. Face of tooth. The surface of gear tooth between the pitch cylinder and the addendum cylinder is known as the face of the tooth. Flank. The surface of the tooth between the pitch circle and root cylinder is known as the flank of the tooth. Already these terms are explained in the figures with the figures. Face width. Face width is the width of the tooth measured parallel to the axis. Fillet radius, it is shown in the Now, what is the circular pitch? Circular pitch. One pressure angle. What is the pressure angle? Is the angle which the line of action makes with common tangent to the pitch circle. The pressure angle is also called the angle of obliquity and denoted by alpha. It is very important terminology. The pressure angle. It is the we can define also the angle between common normal and common tangent is known as the pressure angle. Circular pitch. Circular pitch. The circular pitch is the distance measured along the pitch circle between the two similar points on the adjacent teeth. This is known as the circular pitch. Circular pitch. This one is the this point. The circular pitch we can distance. This one is the adjacent distance between similar points, that is the this point and we can say this point. This is known as the circular pitch. So circular pitch, if you know the number of teeth and pitch circle diameter, then you can find the circular pitch. P is equal to pi d dash by z. pi d dash is the circumference of the pitch circle diameter divided by number of the teeth. Diametral pitch, the diametral pitch P, capital P, it is denoted with the capital P, is the ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter. So it is just pitch diametral pitch is equal to Z by D dash, and when we multiply the small p into capital P, you will get the pi. Module M is defined as the inverse of the diametral pitch. M is equal to circular pitch dia divided by number of teeth. So d dash we can find the circular pitch by module multiplied by Z. It is important relations. You will use this relation in the numerical. The center of center distance between two center having ZP and ZG teeth is given by, if the ZP and ZG denote the number of teeth on the pinion or gear, so center distance can be defined a center distance half dP dash plus dG dash is equal to half mZP plus mZG is equal to m ZP plus ZG by 2. A is the center distance, ZP number of teeth on the pinion, ZG number of teeth on the gear. And velocity ratio, gear ratio is the number of teeth on the gear to the number of teeth on the gear to number of teeth on the pinion, that is I is equal to Zg by Zt. Np number of speed of the pinion, Ng is the speed of the gear. So in the next video I will explain what is the different types of the pressure angles and what is the use of the different types of the pressure angle. So I finish this video at this point, and next video I explain later related to gears. Okay, thank you for your watching and patience.